this video, we can learn how to create a Facebook offer and announce discounts and deals like product discounts 5% or 10% and product deals buy two and get one deal offer on Facebook page. Facebook users can redeem them online or in store depending on where the offer availability is mentioned. So let's get started. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to always get updates when new content is added. Visit your Facebook page. You will see the offer tab on the left of your Facebook page. If not, click Settings above your Facebook page and next click Templates and Tabs on the left. Next, scroll down to the bottom, click Add Tabs and next click the Add tab corresponding to Offers. Next, move the Offers tab above so that it's visible to your Facebook users. Visit your Facebook page. You will see the Offer tab on the left. Next, click Offers tab and here on the Offers page, we need to configure the offer intended. Click Create Offer to set up the offer that we intend to give Facebook users like discounts and deals on products or services we do business with. Upload an attractive image of the offer announcing your business, product or service with information on the offer like products, discounts or deals. Use bright colors and graphics rather than text content on the offer announcement image. Next, select an offer type like discount price or percentage on the product or product deals like buy one, get the other 50% discount or shipping is free or customized where you can enter your own terms of offer like price or discount along with the other details in the description box. Enter discount or deals description on products. Next, you can add a brief description about your overall store or product here. You can edit the expiration date for your offer if you would like it to run longer or shorter than a week or so. Select whether people can use the offer online or in store. You can also add a promo code here. You can either select Save button option where Facebook user can save the offer to be reminded before it expires or Send Message option where Facebook users can click and send message if they are interested in the offer. We are done creating the Facebook offer. Finally, click Publish button to publish the offer on your Facebook page immediately, or you can schedule the offer to be published on a future date. For this video, we will publish it right away. You can see it is added to your Facebook page. Facebook users who like our page or people who visit our page can view the offer and claim the offer. When users click the offer, this is how they are prompted to send us a message. We can share the offer in Facebook groups or in a Facebook event and as well as other Facebook pages. I hope you liked watching this video tutorial. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.